Okay, I am demonstrating how to change the handle lock on a Blaz200. All right, you actually flip the other side where the bracket is. I'll move this over. Get this. The bracket is here for the umbrella, and you take these little screws out. They're right here. You can see the little screws, that one and that one. Take those out first. Okay. Here, it's just a regular small tipped Phillips head. Doesn't have to be a jeweler screwdriver. Although a magnetic one would be nice. That comes off. You see the two holes here at the top and the bottom where they go here. And that there's two pin marks also in this that these two little holes line up with. Okay, now you see the back of the bolts exposed. You flip it over and you just unscrew the handle. And the bolt's exposed. Take the washer off. Okay, and you push the bolt through. Comes out the other side. And you get a new bolt. This. Push back in. Note the other side is right there. So the bolt goes back in here. Push all the way in. Back around. Put the washer, put on the handle. Start it threading. Okay, now it's back on. Locking. Like I said, this has a definite top and a bottom for where this other piece goes. You'll notice the two holes here that are to line up with the two little dimple marks here. Okay. And you line those up. Lay down there. Small standard Phillips. Turn in. Okay, let's screw the second one in. Okay, that's there, and then your handle, put a new bolt in it, will work. Now make sure when you do this, you do not remove this center piece because this has to all line up the way it is. You can get it back in there, but it's more of a pain. It's better if you just leave it sit in here while you're changing it.